And now we are going to make the last part of my infographic resume called the training courses completed. I will take a copy again from the previous slide, and again the same thing I did for the previous episodes, I will do the same for this last episode. Now we will again use PowerPoint shapes to show the completed training courses. I use the rounded corner option and draw a square here, and then I make the settings related to the fill outline and even the shape effect. And I set the outline to no, and I select the shape fill, one of the colors of our color palette. Now in this section, we want to use the shape effect, and in the patterns section, for example, we can choose pattern number 5. Or in the bubble section, we can also use this option and apply an effect to our shape. And now in order to have a place to write the title of the completed training course, we use the rounded corner option from the insert and shape sections. And with the help of the yellow handle that is here, we increase the amount of curvature at the beginning and end of our shape. And we make the settings related to fill and outline. I set the value of shape fill to no, and the thickness of the outline to 6 points, and its color is the same color that I choose for the shape fill of the square shape. Then we select both shapes, and then with the help of the align middle option, I make sure that this second shape is exactly in the center of my square shape. Now I can use the insert and shape parts and use the semicircle shape again and put it in this part. I will rotate it a little. In this way, I will make it a little smaller. For better design settings, we can also zoom in on this part, and I will put it in the corresponding place. Now I want to use the effects I gave to this shape for the new shape. From the home section, while the first shape is selected, it uses the format painter option, and once I click on the second shape, by doing this, all the effects and settings we had in the first shape will be transferred to the next shape. Now we have to enter a text here that the title of the training course we have passed can be that I have already typed this text here, that I will select all 3 texts, and in order not to lose time, I will quickly paste them here and place them in the relevant place. From this text that is here, I will get a copy and I type the number of the training course that I passed here and change its color to yellow and place it here. Make its size a little smaller and make the settings. Now we can put an icon related to the training course in this section, which I do from the insert and picture sections. And as I said in the previous sections, you can download the icons from the Flat Icon website. And now I will repeat the same design for the next 2 parts. And you can repeat this as many times as you have completed the training courses. To animate this text, I can also select the text, and because I want the text animation to be displayed in typing mode, I choose the appear option. Then I set the start value to after previous, and in the effect option section, I set the animate text to by letter, and I set the delay value to 0.1, and I will do OK, so that this type effect will appear for this text. And now you can do these animations for other parts as well. For this slide, make sure that the transition is set to morph mode. So far we have designed different parts of the resume. Now in the next video, which is the last video of this section, we will learn how to link to different parts of the resume and get output from it. in different formats. Thank you for being with me so far.